I really have no words to say. I was in tears when the last part came. Absolutely. Um, what a recital and what a performance. Oh my God. Thank you, Joyce and Gupta, Suchitra Pillai, and Sid Bakkar. Thank you so much.
When you were writing, did it sound like
Sound wonderful. Coming back to Roshmila's question, I think, uh, well, I would say it's a kind of a comedy. People think it very seriously. As mentioned, that just after the COVID, we went to US because my son just got admitted there in the university and the COVID was still running. And he got COVID and we were in the hotel room for almost 10, 12, 15 days kind of. First few days were really romantic. It was like mushy, you know. After 28 years of my marriage, staying together in a hotel, it felt so nice. You have those romantic conversations going on in the room and inside and together. Oh wow, I felt this was the best days and COVID has brought us together. Wait, after a few days, it was like, oh my God, how many days we have to stay together? When is it going to end? Eating together, doing the shows together, it was too much. And finally, when that period ended and we were out of the room, we said, let's go to the cafe and have a cup of coffee. We went to the cafe and he took the coffee and he said to me, I have had enough of you. And he said, let's be your book title, I have had enough of you. So that's where the title came.
You've been seeing a lot of books over the years, different book titles, different book covers.
Second book and the first book already we have seen they have gathered lots of appreciation. Tell us about the second book.
My second book, which is titled I Have Had Enough of You, is from my personal experience which I had during COVID times with my husband, where I was in a hotel room shut for about 15 days. And at the end of the 15 days, my husband came out and said, I have had enough of you. So the inspiration behind the story came from that incident. And the book is about five stories about 5 women who had gone through different circumstances and situations in their life, and they had said, oh, they are done with these things, and they turn back and say, I have had enough of it.
And tell us about your first book. When you have planned to plan your second book, and you will talk about your first book also.
While I was doing when I thought about doing my first book, so that was a time when I was in the COVID times and I was writing my blog. And I thought, I gathered the confidence of writing short stories, and I came out with Frenny and the other woman who have met, dedicating it to all the homemakers in the country. And after completing the first book, I thought of going ahead, discussing with my editors, and came out with a novella, and I wrote this book. Someday maybe I come out with a novel.
And what support you got from your family?
I got
their response after reading your first book?
I think it's because of my family. My husband Shubhojit, who is here today with me, it's all his support that I have done this book today. And of course my family is always they are always supporting me in every way they can.
Also, any of your plans to plan a third book?
Yes.
What topic you are planning?
Actually, there are 2 topics we were discussing about. My third book is maybe on of letters, story of letters, and or my childhood in Dhanbad. In the coal mining days I had spent in the Colliery area, so might be any of the 2 topics I would be writing. So my next month I'll be starting with my third book, and soon I'll come out with that.
Also wanted to know how you manage your personal life and writing the book, and how you manage that.
Oh, I have a set time of writing. I write at night. So doing my family responsibilities in the morning and evening, at night I sit with my book. So it's all managed in a very good way.
Any plans to do a film on your book, like any director you are talking
Yes,
to?
I'm trying on that. Talks are going on. Inshallah, maybe one day, Frenny and I Had Enough of You will be converted into a movie or web series. We are working on it.
Okay, any message for audience?
Please read my book, I Have Had Enough of You, and give me your reviews. Hopefully this book will bring someday tears or someday happiness to you. Waiting for your reviews.
Thank you so much and all the best.
Thank you so much.
और इस किताब में बहुत सारे जगह बहुत सारे पात्र आते हैं, आपको प्यार मोहब्बत से वाकिफ़ कराते हैं और दिल के टूटने से भी वाकिफ़ कराते हैं। हमारे ज़िंदगी में आए जितनी तरह की विषमताएं होती हैं, सुख दुख, वो सारी चीज़ें आती जाती हैं। इसमें छोटी छोटी लघु कहानियों के ज़रिए सोमा ने ये दिखाने की कोशिश की है। सोमा जी जो हैं बहुत प्राइवेट पर्सन हैं, बहुत ही शर्मीली औरत है, लेकिन जब लिखती हैं उनके लेखनी में बहुत सारी चीज़ें झलकती हैं, ज़िंदगी के बारे में, लोगों के बारे में, उनकी देखी सुनी और समझी चीज़ों को वो बहुत खूबसूरती से दर्शाते हैं। तो मैं तो यही कहूँगा कि जो लोग किताब के शौकीन हैं उनको पढ़ना चाहिए, इससे वाकिफ़ होने के लिए कि हमारी ज़िंदगी में कितने तरह की विविधता है। शुक्रिया।
ये उनकी दूसरी किताब है। पहली जो किताब है वो मैं पढ़ चुका हूँ। बहुत उनका स्टाइल जो बहुत, उसमें एक स्पेशलिटी है कि जो एकदम नेक्स्ट डोर नेबर टाइप जो स्टोरीज़ है वो अपील करते हैं। और इस किताब के बारे में मतलब जो कुछ ऐसे ह्यूमन रिलेशनशिप्स के बारे में वो बहुत अच्छी लिखती है, तो ये भी बहुत कामयाब होगा वो मुझे लग रहा है। और इट वाज अ प्लेजर इनॉग्रेटिंग द बुक।
बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे? मोमेन की सेकंड बुक है और आपकी तरफ से क्या बेस्ट विशेस होंगी?
All my best wishes to her always, and this is the second book of hers which I've started reading, and I feel she's amazing with how she emotes, and as a writer you emote through your words. As an artist I emote through my emotions and through my body language, but for writers it's just words that is all they have to take our heart away. And I think she's an amazing woman, and she understands women I think in a beautiful way. And I find her writing relatable. I find a lot of familiarities with my life, and I think all readers will find similarities and a slice of their life lies in her books.
We see you collaborating with
Of course, I mean, well, when I read books and I really can visualize it in my mind, I am always approaching directors and producers, because everybody in the field of entertainment and with the kind of content that is being produced nowadays, I think all directors, producers, studios, they're looking for stories and looking for narratives, and so I think it's a great time and a great opportunity for writers also to have their books made into films or series, or there's a vast ocean open in front of us to reach out to a larger audience and readers.
The thing is that
what kind of bond you share?
she supported me for my first book, and she's still supporting me for my next book. That means a lot to me. What Swastika is, the world knows, and we as writers, we know the kind of acting she does. So for me, she's a very special person in my heart. Thank you so much, Swastika, for supporting me.
It's been wonderful to be here and be a part of your big day. I think it's a special day for you and family and all of us.